Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to fill any shape with an image right inside Canva. And yes, this works for both Mac and PC users, and it's completely free. By the end of this video, you'll master a super handy trick to create eye-catching, custom-shaped photo designs in Canva, whether you're making social posts, flyers, or just want that polished look for your personal projects. This is especially perfect if you've ever felt boxed in by Canva's usual limitations. After today, you'll be able to work with way more creative freedom, so let's jump right in. First things first, let's head over to Canva. If you haven't used it before, don't worry, it's simple. Just open up your browser, type in canva.com and sign in. Now, sometimes new users aren't sure where to start, but you want to look for the big, friendly Create a Design button, usually up near the top right corner. Go ahead and give that a click. Now here, where we do something a little different, we're going to create a design with custom dimensions. When the options pop up, pick custom size. For this method to work best, let's set the size to 100 by 50 pixels. This ratio makes experimenting with shapes much easier and keeps your workspace focused and manageable. Just type in 100 for width, 50 for height, and hit Create New Design. Don't worry if this sounds small, we're just setting up a flexible template. You can always resize or scale later. Think of it like starting on a blank note card rather than a huge poster. You're in control from the beginning. Now you've got your blank canvas, so let's add a frame. This is the secret sauce for filling shapes with images in Canva. On the left sidebar, click Elements, then scroll a bit until you find the Frames section. Frames in Canva behave kind of like cookie cutters. Whatever photo you drop into them will take on that shape, whether it's a circle, a star, a funky blob, there are loads to choose from. Here's a pro tip. Don't just pick the first frame you see, try out several. Drag a few different shapes onto your canvas and arrange them however you like. Maybe start with a classic circle, then add a star or a speech bubble. This is your design playground, so experiment as much as you want. Each frame acts as a holder for a potential image, and the more you try out, the more options you'll have to compare and get inspired. Take your time here and don't worry if something doesn't look right at first. You can always delete or swap out frames until you find the one that really fits your vision. And now for the fun part, filling those shapes. Over on the left, click the Uploads section or use one of Canva's stock images if you want. Now it's as easy as drag and drop, literally. Click on your chosen image, drag it right onto the frame, and watch as it snaps perfectly into the shape. It's super satisfying, right? If the image isn't centered quite how you want, just double-click inside the frame. Now you can move the image around within the shape and get it looking just right. Take a moment here to adjust things until you're happy with the final look. This step might take a few tries, but don't get discouraged. A little tweaking goes a long way towards making your design really stand out. And honestly, that's it. You've just learned how to fill any canvas shape with a photo, completely free, using a method that works no matter where you're working from. Use this for profile pictures, invitations, digital scrapbooks, wherever your creativity takes you. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I love helping out. And don't forget to subscribe for more quick and easy Canva tricks like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.